Let's explore data processing pipelines. They are about moving and transforming data at scale. Data processing pipelines are the foundation of modern data architecture. What exactly is a data pipeline? A data pipeline is a series of data processing steps that automate the movement and transformation of data from a source to a destination. It typically involves three key stages: extract, where data is pulled from various sources; transform, where the data is cleaned, reshaped, and prepared for analysis; and load, where the transformed data is moved into a data warehouse or other storage system. Now let's discuss the core components of data pipelines. These include data sources such as databases, application programming interfaces, files, and streams, which provide the raw information, and a processing engine, which is responsible for transforming, cleaning, and validating the data to make it usable for analysis and decision-making. Together, these components form the foundation of a robust data pipeline architecture. You can think of data flowing from the source being processed and then stored. Data pipelines come in different flavors, each suited for specific use cases. Batch processing involves processing large volumes of data at scheduled intervals, often used for overnight or weekly updates. Stream processing, on the other hand, processes data continuously in real time as it arrives, ideal for applications requiring immediate insights. So, you have to choose the type of data pipeline based on how fast you need to process your data. If you need it processed as it arrives, you should choose stream processing. If you need it processed in big chunks in longer intervals, you can choose batch processing. Now let's look into two common approaches for building data pipelines: extract, transform, load, or ETL, and extract, load, transform, or ELT. In the ETL process, data is first extracted from various sources, then transformed into a usable format, and finally loaded into the destination system. In contrast, ELT first extracts the data, loads it into the destination system, and then performs the transformation within the data warehouse or data lake. The choice between ETL and ELT depends on factors such as data volume, processing power, and the capabilities of the destination system. Let us consider a very simple Python ETL pipeline. First, we define a function to extract data which returns raw data. Then we define another function to transform the data, making all the words uppercase. Then we define the load data, which in this example just prints the data into the console. The main pipeline execution involves first extracting raw data, transforming it into clean data, and loading the clean data. Data pipelines offer several key benefits for organizations. They provide automation, reducing manual effort and the risk of errors in data processing. They also offer scalability, allowing businesses to handle growing data volumes efficiently without compromising performance. This efficient data flow enables better decision-making and insights. Data pipelines automate, are scalable, and give efficient data flow. In summary, data processing pipelines automate data movement and transformation, allowing organizations to efficiently process and analyze vast amounts of information. You have a choice between batch and stream processing based on specific requirements. Data pipelines enable scalable data operations, providing businesses with the ability to grow and adapt in today's data-driven world. This is how we are building the foundation for data-driven decisions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.